Hey guys, welcome back to Backyard Budget Builders. So today I'm doing something I wouldn't normally do, which is show off a company. So I did a lot of research when I was going with this LS motor and adapting it into the Ford Ranger. And there's multiple systems out there, as we all know. Everybody from Holley, you've got Edelbrock, you've got all these systems, but I wanted something that I could custom tune myself without having to break the bank. So after doing a lot of research, I settled on Aces. Now, because of that, I don't normally wear hats, so I'm going to take this off so I don't mess it up. I wanted to show you guys. So everything's packaged very well. All the wiring harness it's labeled on what goes where. It all came in this big Ziploc bag with everything together. Now I ordered for the transmission control too, because I went with the 4L60E. So it has a separate transmission harness, vehicle speed sensors, everything is in here. Now in the box, it came completely, beautifully protected. Beautifully, including this. This is the heart of it. Now I want you to see how that came. This thing is protected in 7 ways from Friday, as I would say it. So I'm going to start this installation and we're going to start moving from there. So basically I'm going with the Aces fuel injection system, the Aces Jackpot LS. Okay, customizable 7-inch handheld screen. I'm actually going to use that for my dash. The only thing I'm going to have working on the dash is the fuel gauge. Everything else I'll be able to read through the handheld if I read correctly. I also went with Evil Energy. Here's one of their boxes right here. Evil Energy for my fuel system. So 255 gallon per hour pump, 65 psi pressure, constant running. We're putting all that in. We're going to start doing all of that tomorrow. Also, I'm still working on exhaust. That's what you see missing. So the headers I bought, they don't work. They might have worked in the Firebird, the Trans Am. They're not going to work in this. So I'm having to find out what I'm going to do about that. Or do I need to notch the frame and put an outer plate on it? Not that big of a deal. Got welders. So we can notch it, plate it on the outside to reinforce the strength of it so that the exhaust can go down through the middle of the frame channel and then come out under it. Also got to build the transmission cross member. The stock Ford one would not work because in order to sit this on a first gen Ranger, to sit my sump of my oil pan between the I-beams, I cannot go back any further without the transmission dipstick being on the firewall. We don't want to do that. So as of right now, it's still an ongoing project. This could be a project that takes a while to get completed. Not 100% sure, but so far it's been fun. The LS motor is in it. It is level. It is angled. I have my drive shaft angled already figured. I know where the mount height needs to be. Then I'm going to, once I get all that done, I've got a yoke in the drive shaft now. We're going to measure from the center of that U-joint all the way down to where the flange for the Ford bolts in. And that way we can get a length on our drive shaft so we can get one of those ordered. So, I've got one shop here in town that'll custom make it. I'll probably go see them next week. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Aces fuel injection, thank you. I'm not paid for this, but after all the fuel injection systems I looked into, I do believe you guys have one of the better ones. And for my first LS, we're going to give it a try. All right, guys, have a good night. Thanks for watching Backyard Budget Builders.